welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing Shein. I've seen so many people on YouTube reviewing Shein or Shein, their brand. So I decided to get a phone case and biker shorts. I'm obsessed with biker shorts. But yeah, I have biker shorts from Macy's and I'm obsessed with them. But yeah, comment down below if you ever tried Shein products or Shein. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get on the video. So I got the biker shorts from Shein, and these are from the curvy section because I'm curvy and I love that. I love that. This bag is really cute though. It's like a zip-up bag. And then over there. So these are the biker shorts. These are really cute. So these are what the biker shorts look like. I'm obsessed with them. They're really stretchy because I don't like shorts that are too tight on me. These will fit me, and they can go with any outfit because they are black. They're just all black. And yeah, these were like $5 on Shein, and I'm obsessed. But if I can find the links to the biker shorts, I'll have the link down below. Then for my phone, I needed a new phone case. I have one from Wildflower that I'm using, the blue checker one. I'll have the link for that down below. And then I got this one from Shein, and this is for the iPhone XS Max. Really cute because I really need a new phone case that's really protective. Like my Wildflower one is very protective. This just comes with a little insert, little foam. And I need a coffee break, hold on. Sorry about that. So yeah, this is the phone case that I got, and it's really cute, and I'm obsessed. This is what it looks like. It's like a frosted baby pink, and the sides are like all protective, and there's like neon yellow right here, the camera's right here. So I will take a picture of these two items on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'll have it linked down below. Also, make sure you follow me on my TikTok because I will be making TikToks. But yeah, thank you so much for, and I give this whole, like, the shorts, like it. No. So I'll give these shorts, from my opinion, I give these a 10 out of 10. They are so fitting. I'll probably take a picture of them after I edit this video. So these are what they look like. I give these a 10 out of 10, and they're not even see-through because like I hate shorts that are see-through. And then the phone case, 10 out of 10. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll have the links down below if you want to go shop on Shein. Also, the app is really adorable too. So if you have Apple or Android or Google Play, download the Shein app, make an account, get coupon codes. We're in a row. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe below this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, make sure you tap the bell so you get that notification that I posted a brand new video so you don't miss out on any uploads. And make sure you follow me on my TikTok and on my Instagram. Links down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week with another video. And also, I'm doing my closet. So that's why that's half the closet, half not. It's because I'm redoing it with my handyman soon. So, and I'm going to be doing my room. Probably see the colors over there on the wall. But I'll probably film that. Probably, or I might do it. I don't know. Film it for a video. So yeah, if you want to see a room transformation, comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week with another video. Mwah. Bye guys.